Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Exact Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can pay any Chinese supplier on 1688 without any stress using your Alipay app. But before I get the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation or some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And also, if you would like to join my paid training, you want to learn how you too can be a procurement agent and or how you want to procure by yourself without using agents, you want to learn and you would like to join my paid training, you can easily connect with me on WhatsApp right here, or you connect with me via the phone number on the screen of this video. You can connect with me on WhatsApp if you have interest to join my paid training. If you would like to check on my previous tutorial about China importation, all you have to do is to make sure you visit Exact Graphics and Multimedia, then navigate to the playlist right here. Then you have to scroll down and look for importation class right here. So click on that. Then you can scroll down, then you'll be able to see more different topics as far as procurement and shipping from China in Skazan using 1688, procurement and shipping from China using Taoba, procurement and shipping from China using pinduoduo, Alipay related topic, WeChat topic, India importation, etc. All you have to do is to watch any type of video related to whatever topic you are looking for as far as importation business is concerned. And lastly but not least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure your link on 1688 Tahoba or pinduoduo, or you want me to teach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want to learn how to procure by yourself, do everything by yourself without using agents, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started and see how you can pay your Chinese supplier on 1688 using your Alipay. So let's get started. So I'm going to head over to my 1688 app. Right here, so this is my 1688 app. So this product right here, I need just 3 pieces of this particular product. So I need 3 pieces of this product. So for me to make payment to this supplier, so you just have to click on here. Sorry. So you just have to click on here. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when I click on it, it's open up this way. Then this is where you select color, and this is where you select the color, and this is where you select the sizes. Okay. So I need white color. So let me quickly translate. So I need white color 3 pieces. What I'm going to do next is to click here and make sure I select 3 pieces. Okay, having select 3 pieces, because that's the quantity I need, you have to click here. So right here you can see I'm paying the sum of 32.20 RMB for 3 pieces of this bag right here. So what I'm going to do last is to click on here to make the payment. So I'm going to click on here to pay now. So you can see right here. So right here I'm paying 32.20 RMB with my Alipay right here. Then what I'm going to do next is to click on this button down below here to make the payment. All right, so right here, I'm going to authorize the payment by clicking on here. So right here, you can see this is my Alipay and it has been ticked. Okay, so I'm going to select on that, and then finally I have to click on here to pay. So I have to enter my payment password. So you can see now that the payment has been done successfully right here. Okay, so if I go back to my profile now, you're going to see that the payment has been approved and the product will move to my about to ship. So right here you can see the products right here. If I click on here now, you see the products. So you can see the products right here. So if I click on that, you're going to see that they're going to generate order number. So if I scroll down right here, so you can see this is order number, and this is just a proof that this order has been successfully paid for. Okay, so this is how you pay your supplier on 1688 app using your Alipay account without any stress. All you have to do is to watch step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.